same piece of metal, the 1.4mm thick flange that I had. Oh. There you can see there, it's bent it the opposite way. But yeah, fun tool. So you can see that. So that could be, you know, wheel arch on a car, motorbike, rear fender. If you were like building a hot rod and needed to make the corner of the roof panel, and you've got a really, really deep throat there. So you can gently shrink or stretch whatever shape you need to make. So that's it for this video. I'll leave links in the description to the Metz Tools website, where you can go and have a look at this string stretcher, and they do a few other different versions as well. So yeah, go take a look at that. They do other sheet metal working tools as well, English wheels, bead rollers. I do have a couple of other videos about, which I'll link in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time.